Quilters, are you looking to save money and reduce waste while creating beautiful quilts? Scrap quilting is the answer. This resourceful technique allows you to transform your fabric scraps into stunning works of art. Scrap quilting involves using leftover fabric pieces from previous projects to create new quilts. It's an excellent way to clean out your fabric stash and unleash your creativity. Let's explore some exciting free scrap quilt patterns that will inspire you to start your next project. First up is the Modern Melody Basics pattern. This stylish design combines different shades of color and twisted diagonals, creating a modern and eye-catching effect. It's perfect for intermediate quilters who want to play with color values and unleash their inner artist. For a more whimsical approach, try the Scrappy X quilt. This pattern creates a mesmerizing rainbow effect using fabric scraps. The simple X pattern is easy to recreate, making it suitable for quilters of all skill levels. If you're a fan of retro style, the Try Love quilt pattern is for you. With its bright, playful colors and mini triangles resembling a disco ball, this quilt will add a fun, nostalgic touch to any room. For those who love nature-inspired designs, the Field Day quilt is an excellent choice. This pattern uses multiple colors derived from varied hues of leaves, creating a modern forest-inspired look. It's perfect for beginners and measures 62 by 80 inches when finished. Lastly, consider the Cracker Scraps pattern. This design celebrates the potential in every piece of fabric, ensuring that even the smallest scraps contribute to a stunning quilt masterpiece. Scrap quilting is not just about saving money and reducing waste. It's about unleashing your creativity, telling a story through fabric, and creating unique, one-of-a-kind quilts. So gather your fabric scraps, choose a pattern that speaks to you, and start your scrap quilting journey today. For even more inspiration and a wide variety of scrap quilt patterns, be sure to visit ilovequiltingforever.com. Happy quilting!